Hey guys, we're out in the lawn doing some fall work. Feels good to be back outside. It's been really warm fall thus far, although it's, we're still early. But it's just, it's hot. I think it's supposed to be like 85 degrees today, but the next week it's supposed to start to go down in temperature to more like fall. So I'm excited to see that, and excited to be able to, sweatshirts and that kind of stuff. So bring it on. So today we're out in the lawn putting down some fertilizer for fall. Gonna get the lawn in really good shape before winter time, so that we're set up for spring. But we're gonna be putting down some tried and true Milorganite today. And then I'm also going to be putting down some next products, some Humic 12, some RGS, some sea kelp, some aerate, just to, enrich the soil and, put all the good stuff back in the soil that we found that we're maybe lacking. And plus, a few weeks ago we did put some seed down, so this would be really good for that to get started, and then we'll just water it in. So I thought I would take you along on what we got going on in the lawn today, so come along. Alright guys, so like I said, we're going to put down some Milorganite today. First of all, can you see back here the garage? The shop is a disaster. That's going to be hopefully tomorrow's activity, that we're going to get that cleaned up, because it's bad. It needs to be fixed. So putting Milorganite down today. I don't know if you guys have ever used Milorganite. Some folks like it, some folks don't. It's got a distinct smell, but I found that it works well on our lawn. It does really good. It's low nitrogen, slow release, organic. And it just works well. It's got iron in it, so it makes the lawn nice and green. It's relatively cheap. I think I got this for $12 a bag. It takes quite a bit. I think for our lawn, I usually put down about 4 bags. I know it covers 2,500 square foot per bag, and our lawn takes about 4 bags. Probably put it down a little bit heavy, but it works great. But the thing that I was going to be putting down today, which I try to do once a month or so, is to put down some Humic 12, some RGS, and some aerate. We have clay soil in our area, so the aerate that I'm talking about does really good, where it's almost like a liquid aeration for your lawn. So it loosens up that soil and lets water and nutrients and everything kind of get down in there. So I found that it's really good. And RGS is root growth stimulator. So that's going to be really good to make your roots go really deep, and you're watering deep, so that'll be really great. And Humic 12 is kind of a magic thing that I've well, I guess it's not magic, but kind of a thing that not a lot of people, I guess, know about, that I found in the last couple of years, and it just really does well to open up your soil and unlock those nutrients, because and I don't understand the science behind it, but your soil can get locked up where you've got all kinds of good stuff in there, but your plants, whether it be garden plants or your grass, can't take that up, and the Humic 12 will help to, or Humic in general will help to unlock that and let it take in the good stuff. So let me show you the stuff that I've got here. So as I was saying, we've got some Humic 12, RGS, and aerate, and a little seaweed kelp. This is all from Next. You can get this on yardmastery.com. I'll put some links down below for you guys to check it out. And yes, this is a HelloFresh box. Not sponsored by HelloFresh, but HelloFresh, if you'd like to sponsor our channel, we'd love to have you. Good stuff. So this is obviously all liquid, so we're going to be putting it into our sprayer and spraying out. Good thing about it is all of this stuff can be mixed together in one tank and put it down, and it's easy to go. But first we're going to put down our Milorganite. Like I said, 4 bags. I'm going to be putting down on the lawn, and as you can see, just got done mowing, so we got everything all nice and tidy and ready to take this on. So we're going to put this down, and then we'll kind of talk a little bit more about this stuff over here. So let's put down some Milorganite. All right, we put down 1 bag there. Pretty easy. Goes down nice. I always like to do a pattern where I go one direction and then go another direction, so that I'm getting nice, good coverage where I'm not missing any spots or anything like that. So just did the front yard, but I'm going to do the rest of our property. But I wanted to show you a quick tip on how I found that it's easy to put fertilizer in your spreader. So our spreader it's a really nice one. It's from the Andersons. I'll link it below, but it holds 1 bag of fertilizer. So rather than cutting the top and struggling with lifting it up and all of that type of stuff, you can just set it on your spreader, cut open the bottom, and it all just falls right in. So pretty easy. Let's do it. There you go. Pretty simple. Had a little bit of spillage, but we'll clean that up. But really simple way to get it in your spreader without struggling to lift it up and pour it in there and all that type of stuff. So we'll get this down on the rest of the yard, and I'll get right back with you guys. Hey guys, so got the Milorganite down, blew it all off the driveway, sidewalks. Got to be sure you do that, otherwise you might get some stains because it's got iron in it. So, you know, just don't want any of those splotches on the sidewalk. So we're going to put down what I call unicorn pea. I think it's the magic ingredient to make your lawn as good as it can be. It's going to be the humic 12, the RGS, and the sea kelp. Also going to put down some aerate, but the sea kelp, the RGS, and the humic 12 seems to be, I don't know what it is about it, but it just works fantastic in our lawn. So let me kind of show you what I'm doing here. So I've got the RGS, the humic 12, sea kelp, and the aerate. It's a little bit of a messy situation here. That's why I put down the cardboard. Again, Hello Fresh, we're here. So the instructions on the bottles are really clear, and I just mix it up at the rate. Use a little mixing cup that I got on Amazon and put it in our sprayer. This sprayer here has worked really well for me. It's battery operated. You don't have to pump it every so often, so I can do my whole entire lawn and have lots of battery to spare, and it works really well. So about 2.5 tanks, this is a 4-gallon sprayer, 2.5 tanks this down on the lawn, and you want to water it in afterwards because you want to get it down in the soil, and it just it works wonders. It's really amazing. So you guys should really check that out. I'll put links to, if I can find links for everything, I'll put links below for you guys to check out. But that's really it. I won't bore you with spraying it all over the lawn, but that's really it. Just wanted to kind of take you out in the lawn, see what's going on. Tomorrow we're going to tackle this disaster and see what we can do to fix things up. But again, not a how-to video, just what we're doing out in the lawn. Just wanted to share it, and if you guys got anything from it, be sure to give us a like and to subscribe. The likes really go a long way for us here on YouTube. So if you like it, be sure to like it, and then it will show it to other people. So appreciate it, guys. Until next time, be sure to follow us. If you're new here, we're Evergreen Adventures. Just share all the adventures that we have here on Evergreen Court that we have going on between what I've got going on myself. My name is Dennis, and my wife Jennifer. Just want to share with you guys. So appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, bye bye.